Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-length hair. Stylist gets to work and starts to cut. Oh, she's getting some color with this hair change. Wow. And the stylist did a very slight color there. You can kind of see it mixed in. This is a beautiful pixie. Next up, we have someone with mid-length hair. Now, her hair does look like it is quite damaged at the ends, but she ends up getting this stunning bob with the swoop bangs. Very cute makeover. Next up, we have someone with mid-length hair. The stylist adds in some color. Wow, lots of color here. Oh, she got a beautiful blonde makeover and a shoulder length lob. I love the way that the color came out. So here we have someone getting a cut refresh. Adding in an undercut to that pixie. Oh, I love the edginess behind this cut. Very cute. Whoa, so we have someone with long, super long tailbone length hair. So she's gonna go quite short with this transformation. The stylist places the hair in ponytails. Wow, look at all of that hair. Ooh, wow, what a gorgeous short and sweet pixie style, and she looks amazing with short hair. All that hair gone. So here we have someone with a bob. The stylist spices it up and adds a lot of texture here. This is so cute. And that shape really added some volume to the hair, the choppy texture. So here we have someone with long waist length hair, and bam, she gets a bob. Here we have a nice classic bob makeover. And then we see someone with hair around mid-back length, a little bit of color there going towards the ends. Looks like she's getting a layered cut here, some color. And she did kind of like an ombre hair color here. Now, as you guys already know, ombre hair has managed to make a huge return this season. We're seeing a lot of people go back to this hair color trend. And the layers look amazing with the color. Very cute. Whoa. So we definitely have some grown out color here for the next transformation. Looks like the stylist is cutting off a lot of that color here. Oh, she went darker. Oh, her hair looks so much healthier now. It kind of looked like, you know, straw before. Now it looks healthy. There's a nice sheen to it. Oh, we got a nice bob cut with a chocolate bob. So this is a lot of hair here that the stylist is cutting. Oh, a mullet. Love it. And mullets are still very popular this season. Very cute makeover.